in this problem given, according to the Kahn-Ingold Prelog rules for assigning R and S configurations to the stereocenters, which of the following substituents has the highest priority? First option given OCH3, second option CHO, third option CH2OH, and fourth option COOH. Now, according to Kahn-Ingold Prelog priority rules, the priority of substituents is determined by the atomic number of the atoms which is directly attached to the stereocenter. So the higher the atomic number, higher is the priority. Now here we have the group, first one OCH3. So the stereocenter is attached with O here. Then given CHO. So here stereocenter is attached to